Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Obi Ski TV. Let's go. We are live and alive here in Santorini today, where yours truly is captaining the boat. Look at this. Look at this. This is so freaking awesome. This is a dream. I'm sorry, I'm hitting her head as I'm panning around, but we have an adventure for you today, guys. We are gonna take the boat, not the ski, we're taking the boat out around Santorini. We are gonna visit Red Beach, White Beach, the volcano. This is the highlight of my trip, so I cannot wait to bring you guys aboard. This is the southern coast of Santorini. To show you guys, all the way back there was the marina. That's where we docked, and we have been riding the south coast of Santorini, Red Beach, because this pretty much entire island is made from a volcano. That's why you don't really see the type of beaches that we're used to in Florida. This is more of that rockier coast, but the beauty is unparalleled, man. Look at that, Red Beach, and then we got White Beach. So we're gonna bring those to you as soon as we come back around later. Let me get around that tanker over there, so that way I can bring you guys inside the Caldera Bay, which is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So let's go, let's go. The captain is pausing the adventure to just show you. We right now are in the middle of the Caldera, which is the bay inside of Santorini. We are gonna make our way through the volcano, right through that little passage over there. And there's like a warm mineral spring that we could swim, but they did tell us that if we do, we're gonna come out brown. We're gonna come out brown. It would
stain our clothes.
Yeah, it'll stain our clothes because it's got a lot of sulfur. You can see right over there the cruise ships, where we are, right up on that hill. See all those white homes up there? That's where we're staying. As soon as I saw that we could rent our own boat, this was the #1 thing we wanted to do. Guys, before we continue the adventure, a huge shout out to Santorini Seabreeze, the company that rented out our boat for the entire morning and early afternoon. They met us at the marina. They explained everything about the boat, all the safety equipment, everything that we needed to know. They showed us a map, where to go, best places to visit, and I will tell you that the experience was amazing. Here is their information. If you are ever in Santorini, please give them a ring. They will hook you up just like they did us. You can explore on your own, no rush. You get to do everything at your own pace, and you will absolutely love exploring Santorini by the sea. Trust me, 2 thumbs up. Thank you guys again. Really appreciate it. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here at the Volcanic Spring. I think we're gonna take a dip. Our bathing suits are gonna be brown, but you know,
they'll get stained, but we could just buy new ones.
Yeah, it is what it is. I'm gonna try to get us a little bit closer. We'll go ahead and anchor, and we will be swimming in a volcanic mineral sulfur spring. That should be pretty cool. Welcome to, I guess this is our first stop, right? First stop of the adventure is the actual spring, the warm spring here at the volcano. Look at this. This is unbelievable. There's few times in life, I think, where people can say they're speechless, and I think this is one of them, man, because this is absolutely beautiful. This is so, so nice. So we're gonna take a quick swim. We're not gonna be here long. The water supposedly is a little bit warmer. I'm hoping it is. And after that, we will then be heading to, there's like a little beach area somewhere around here. We'll find out. But anyway, you ready, babe?
Let's go.
Let's head in that water. Let's go, people. Let's go. That's it. Go under. Let's go. Can you come in? All right, guys. We want to make our way to the other spot. I apologize for the way my hair looks right now. It probably looks horrible. Yeah? All right, let's go, people. Let's go. Our adventure's got to keep moving. We don't got time to dilly-dally, so let's go. Right now, we are, you know, we're anchored over here in, if I'm pronouncing this wrong, I'm sorry, Thirasia, right? We're in Thirasia, which is right across from Santorini. We came right through the volcano. You guys got to see the aerial footage from the drone, how amazing that volcano is. And now we're stopping here for a little bit. Check out this little port town of Thirasia. This is unbelievable. Look how beautiful this is. Now, for anybody that makes it here and docks here, I challenge you. See if you can get all the way up there in 5 minutes. I'm not trying, I'm just thinking about it. You got all these little spots here, all these buoys where you can just kind of anchor off. We're tied up. I think the official word for it is moor. We're mooring. The wife is getting some grapes ready. Babe, you're getting the water wet. What are you doing? Anyway, so she's getting the grapes ready. We'll eat some grapes. I feel like Achilles. I'm eating grapes in Greece. So far, I'm hoping you guys are loving the adventure. Obviously, for those of you guys that go places, ski, boats, everything, you know it's really, really difficult for the camera to capture the moment, right? And I know that's going to be very, very difficult in this video, but if you're thinking about coming here, if you're thinking about going to Santorini, it's beautiful, man. We have had such an amazing time so far, and renting your own boat is unreal. Highly, highly recommended. You can come out and you can enjoy it at your own pace. You don't have to worry about getting on things, getting off things, rushing, jumping here, jumping there. It's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. So I highly recommend it. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start getting our stuff ready here. We're gonna finish up our quick lunch, and then we're gonna head over to the red beach and the white beach to show you guys that area. Now, preface it by saying it's really windy around there, so I don't think I'll be able to throw the drone up, because where I'm at now, it's not windy and we feel a little bit of a breeze. Over there, oh, it's choppy, but you guys nonetheless will get to see red beach and white beach. So let's wrap it up. Let's head over there. Let's go. been beyond amazing. We are gonna start heading back. We're gonna make a quick pit stop at White Beach and Red Beach. Like I mentioned before, we're not gonna get in. It's a little bit rough, you know, windy on that side, but we still want to bring you guys the beauty of it. But so far, this has just been magical. This is unbelievable. This water is, it's amazing. And then look at this. Look at this. When else am I going to be able to captain my own boat through a volcano? I don't know. I don't think ever. If you haven't smashed that like button and subscribed to the channel, now would be the perfect time while we finish up and head over to Red Beach and White Beach. So do me a favor, do those things, and who knows, hey, if you thought Santorini was on the bucket list for the adventures, then congrats. I didn't even think it was on the list, but we're here, so who knows what's next. Subscribe to the channel and find out. Let's go. All right, guys, they usually say when in Rome. I say when in Santorini. You better dive in. Feels so good. Oh, this feels amazing. Oh, get it underwater. Get it underwater. Guys, check this out. Oh, man. Whew. This is absolutely, look at the back. Look in the background, man. Red Beach here in Santorini. Oh, don't leave me. Don't leave me. That's anchor, don't worry. All right, we're just taking a quick 2-minute swim here because
We gotta go.
yeah, we gotta head back.
Wait,
This
you gotta wash off all that sulfur.
This water feels absolutely incredible, man.
Oh, and it's salty too.
Oh, it feels incredible. Look at the, babe, look at the background. That's a picture right there. Hey, look, that's a picture right there. Smile. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. Say cheese.
Cheese.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, come on, let's go. Let's go. Guys, this has been the most epic, beautiful adventure from leaving Santorini all the way to the volcano, to the other island, to White Beach, here dipping in Red Beach, our own private boat. I couldn't have asked for anything better. This has been amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We really, really appreciate you guys. We can't thank you enough. Till the next one, who knows what's on the horizon, but I'm really, really excited. Peace out. Babe, any final words?
Bye.
See ya. Let's go.